Hi, I'm Tony Bray from JazzAppsMobile. In this video, I'm going to explore the use of pentatonic scales. It's a 5-note scale over Dorian minor, probably the most commonly used form of minor and modal tunes. And basically, an intro to the pentatonic scale, there's two ways to think of it, either minor or major. For minor, you would be thinking root, flat third, 4, 5, flat 7. That would give you your 5 notes. The way I like to approach it is from major. This is a little easier for especially new improvisers to remember. You know, you're first learning your major scales, you can take this on pretty early. So you think of it instead as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So for example, it would sound like this. Say I play an E flat major pentatonic, it would sound like this, probably very familiar to you. Very, very common sound. But there's a lot of things you can do with that, especially over modal tunes. You'll hear this used a lot of different ways, and from John Coltrane, Michael Brecker, even in Woody Shaw, especially in ways they do that. There's basically 3 different places you could use this over a minor tune. The most common would be from the minor third. You could also do it from the flat 7, a little less common, but it gives you a different color, or you could play it from the 4th. The 4th would give you even more of a stark sound and more unusual. Now, one thing that you can do with these, you can play these straight over the tunes, as are. I'll play them for you. Concert C, playing from the flat third. Okay, now this is what it sounds like from the flat 7. Now from the 4th or the 11th. Okay, in those examples I'm playing just the straight pentatonics. Where they become really interesting is from any of those starting points, either the flat third, from the flat 7, or the 4th, you can start in that key and then take it up a half step and live there for a little bit and then come back to the original. This is the kind of thing often referred to as sideslipping. You'll hear it in like I said, in Coltrane's music, and any contemporary player that plays over modal tunes, you'll hear this sort of thing. So I'll do it first on the flat third, and then I'll show you the other two. In an example, I actually did a pattern and took it up a half step and brought it back. This is from the flat 7, same idea. The key is you really have to commit to that second key and stay out there for a minute, or it just sounds wrong. Here it is from the 4th. So from a single 5-note scale, it gives you a lot of flexibility, which would otherwise be just 7 notes that you could choose from the Dorian scale over a Dorian minor pentatonic. So practice those. Happy practicing.